To share your Zelle QR code, start by opening the Zelle app on your mobile device. If you do not have the Zelle app, you can download it from the App Store. Once you have opened the app, tap on the settings icon, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. In the settings menu, select the option that says Zelle QR code or something similar. This option may vary depending on the version of the app you are using. Once you have selected the Zelle QR code option, your unique QR code will be displayed on the screen. You can share this QR code with others by taking a screenshot of it and sending it to them via email, text message, or social media. Alternatively, you can display the QR code on your mobile device and have the other person scan it using their Zelle app. To scan a Zelle QR code, the other person should open their Zelle app and tap on the Scan QR code option. They can then use their mobile device's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your device. Once the QR code has been scanned, the other person will be able to send you money using Zelle. You can also add your Zelle QR code to your social media profiles or website to make it easy for others to find and share it. When sharing your Zelle QR code, make sure to only share it with people you trust, as anyone with access to your QR code will be able to send you money. It is also a good idea to keep your Zelle QR code up to date by regenerating it periodically. By following these steps, you can easily share your Zelle QR code with others and start receiving payments using Zelle. Remember to always use Zelle responsibly and only share your QR code with people you know and trust.